In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Maps app to your Wix site in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional map embedded right on your page, and you'll know exactly how to fine-tune its look and behavior so it fits your design perfectly. First, make sure you're in the Wix Studio editor with the page open where you want the map to appear. At the very top left of the editor, click the plus icon to open the Add panel. This is your starting point for dropping new elements onto your canvas. It's easy to miss when you're new to the interface, but once you know it's there, you'll use it all the time. Inside the Add panel, navigate to Contact and Forms, then choose Maps. You'll see a selection of map designs, each with different aesthetics and default settings. Pick the one that best matches your site's style. Simply drag the map from the panel and drop it right onto your page where you want it to live. As you hover, alignment guides will appear to help you position it neatly within your layout. If you change your mind, you can always move it later. Nothing is permanent at this point. With the map placed, you can continue editing it using the inspector pane on the right. This is where most of your customization happens. Start with the design options to refine the visual style. Adjust borders, corner radius, background, and overall look so the map blends with your theme. Resize the map by dragging its handles on the canvas or by entering exact dimensions in the inspector for precise control. Next, explore the element behaviors. Use position and alignment settings to anchor the map within its container, center it, or snap it to the left or right. Set margins so it has the right breathing room around nearby elements. If your layout is responsive, check the sizing and alignment for different breakpoints so the map remains clear and usable on tablets and phones. For usability, you can adjust how the map responds to user interactions, tweak drag and scroll behavior, refine zoom settings, and decide which controls are visible to keep the experience simple for your visitors. That's all there is to it. Click the plus icon, go to Contact and Forms, choose Maps, drag your preferred design onto the page, and refine everything in the inspector on the right. With just a few thoughtful adjustments, your embedded Google Map will look polished, load neatly within your layout, and guide visitors exactly where they need to go.